Welcome to Ecos del Comercio. Today, we will talk about a fundamental topic for family economic stability, the organization of financial documents. Imagine that you have all your bills, receipts, and important documents scattered around. Chaos. But what if you need to review an expense or verify a payment? This is where the importance of having everything well organized comes in. Financial organization not only allows you to have control over your expenses and income, but also helps you avoid unpleasant surprises such as duplicate payments, lost invoices, or late payment interest. To organize your financial documents, you'll need some basic tools. Physical folders are essential for those who prefer the traditional method. You can use different colored folders for each type of document: utility bills, purchase receipts, bank documents, etc. Additionally, accordion file cabinets are great for keeping everything in one place, but neatly divided by categories. On the other hand, if you prefer the digital approach, there are several applications and software that help you scan, store, and categorize your documents. We will talk about these options later. The important thing is to choose the tools that best suit your style and needs. Once you have your tools ready, the next step is to classify your documents. This may seem like a daunting task, but with a little planning, you can do it efficiently. First, collect all the documents you need to organize. Then, sort them into major categories like utility bills, purchase receipts, bank statements, taxes, and warranties. Make sure you have an other category for documents that don't fit into the main categories. This initial classification process will give you a clear idea of the number and type of documents you handle and will help you establish an appropriate filing system. With your documents classified, it's time to create a physical filing system. Use colored folders or accordion binders for each category. Be sure to clearly label each folder or section for easy access. Place the most recent documents at the front and the oldest at the back. It's also helpful to have a separate folder or section for documents you need to review or act on soon. This system will not only help you keep everything in order, but will also allow you to quickly find any document when you need it. If you prefer a digital approach, document scanning is an excellent option. Start by scanning your documents using a high-quality scanner or even your smartphone. There are many applications that allow you to scan documents quickly and efficiently. Once scanned, save the files in a well-organized folder structure on your computer or in the cloud. Make sure you make backups regularly to avoid data loss. Digitization not only saves physical space, but also makes it easier to find and access your documents from anywhere. In the digital age, there are numerous applications and software that can make organizing your financial documents easier. Tools like Google Drive, Evernote, and Microsoft OneNote allow you to scan, store, and categorize your documents efficiently. Additionally, some apps offer additional functionality such as payment reminders, expiration alerts, and secure cloud storage. Research the different options and choose the one that best suits your needs. These tools will not only help you keep your documents organized, but they will also allow you to access them from any device and at any time. Organizing your financial documents is just the first step. To keep everything in order, it's crucial to perform regular maintenance on your filing system. Set aside time each week or month to review your documents, file new ones, and throw away those you no longer need. This will prevent your system from becoming disorganized over time and allow you to always stay on top of your finances. Also, be sure to update your categories and tags as necessary. Maintaining an efficient filing system will save you time and reduce stress in the future. When organizing your financial documents, security and privacy are essential. Make sure you keep your physical documents in a safe and accessible place only for you and your family. For digital documents, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication when possible. Additionally, consider using cloud storage services with end-to-end encryption for additional protection. Keep your antivirus software up to date and perform regular backups to protect against data loss and cyber attacks. The benefits of keeping your financial documents organized are numerous. First, it allows you to have better control over your expenses and income, making it easier to make informed financial decisions. Second, it helps you better prepare for filing taxes and other financial obligations. Third, it reduces the stress associated with searching for lost or expired documents. And finally, It gives you peace of mind knowing that you have your financial affairs under control. Financial organization is a valuable skill that everyone can learn and can make a big difference in your overall financial well-being. To better understand how organizing financial documents can benefit you in everyday life, let's consider a practical example. Imagine you receive a utility bill with an extra charge you weren't expecting. Thanks to your organized filing system, you can easily find the original invoice and compare it with the new one to verify the error. This allows you to quickly contact the service provider and resolve the issue without any additional hassle or stress. This example shows how financial organization not only helps you manage your money effectively, but also allows you to solve financial problems quickly and efficiently. Teaching children about financial organization from an early age is essential to establishing healthy habits. You can involve your children in the process of sorting family documents, explaining to them the importance of maintaining an orderly and secure system. This not only teaches them responsibility and practical skills, but also lays the foundation for a deeper understanding of financial management in the future. Involving children in the family financial organization creates a solid foundation for their personal financial education and promotes a positive attitude toward money and planning.